So peeps, Earl here from Yugatech. By now, we all know how solid the Vivo X200 lineup is, from their size-powered cameras, reliable battery life, to their smooth performance and multimedia features. Last year, we got our hands on the Vivo X200 Pro, and honestly, it left quite an impression. Fast forward to today, Vivo is finally bringing the X200 FE to the Philippines. This compact flagship has been getting a lot of buzz, and of course, we had to see for ourselves if it lives up to the hype. So, for a price of 44,999 pesos, is the Vivo X200 FE worth having as your daily driver? Let's find out. First impressions, I was instantly drawn to its design. It's sleek, classy, and just eye-catching. I even had some of my friends who are iPhone users check it out, and they love the look and feel. The unit I have here is in Blue Breeze, though Vivo also offers a Black Lux variant. Honestly, I'm more of a monochrome fan, but this blue version is just stunning in person. You're getting glass panels on both the front and back, with the rear sporting a matte finish that doesn't pick up fingerprints, plus Gorilla Shield glass protection up front. The matte aluminum frame adds to that premium feel. It's also super handy. At just 186 grams and 7.9mm thin, it's light, compact, and comfortable even for those with smaller hands. And yes, it easily slips into your pocket or bag without being bulky. Durability-wise, Vivo didn't skimp. It has triple SGS certification, military-grade toughness, and an IP68 and 69 rating, so it's dust and water resistant. For I/O, you'll find the power and volume rockers on the right, a clean left side USB-C, speaker grill, and SIM tray at the bottom, plus an IR blaster and noise-canceling mic up top. And now, we're moving on to the display. You get a 6.31-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. I usually keep mine on Smart Switch for better battery efficiency, and trust me, scrolling and switching app feels buttery smooth. The bezels are thin and the punch-hole selfie cam is cleanly placed. We did enjoy the watching experience, and the best thing about it was how well the colors, contrast, and deep blacks were balanced. I'm enjoying its accuracy, and it demonstrates why consumers would appreciate the display because of its high pixel density of 460 from viewing movies, streaming music videos, reading articles, and simply browsing. Even under direct sunlight, visibility is great thanks to a peak brightness of 5000 nits. For audio, the dual stereo speakers are loud and clear, making the multimedia experience even more immersive. And yes, security is covered with both face unlock and an in-display fingerprint scanner. Powering the Vivo X200 FE is the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus, paired with 12GB of RAM plus another 12GB via virtual expansion and a generous 512GB of storage. Performance-wise, it's snappy and smooth. Multitasking? No sweat. Everything I threw at it ran without hiccups. For gaming, titles like Mobile Legends on max graphics were silky smooth, while heavier ones like Genshin Impact and Honkai Star Rail also played well with no major frame drops. The only thing I noticed was heat buildup after a few extended matches. It wasn't bothersome, but I was hoping the thermal management would have been better, especially at this price. On paper, it's solid, scoring over 1.8 million on Antutu and maxing out 3D Mark Wildlife. And for those who are interested on the benchmark results, we'll flash it here now. The Vivo X200 FE runs FunTouch OS 15 based on Android 15. This version brings a bunch of AI-powered features designed to make life easier. You've got AI Circle to Search, AI Screen Translation, Smart Call Assistant, and AI Captions for real-time speech-to-text translation. Perfect for students, professionals, and even travelers. It also comes with Vivo Dockmaster, letting you open Word, Excel, PDF, and presentations without downloading extra apps. Customization is better too. You can tweak the UI and themes to your liking. There's a bit of bloatware, but nothing you can't uninstall. Vivo also promises 4 years of software upgrades with 3 major Android upgrades, so it's future-proof. Inside of this is a massive 6500 mAh Blue Volt battery with 90 watts fast charge. In my experience, I easily got 2 full days of mixed use and sometimes close to 3 with lighter use. In PC Mark's battery test, it clocked in over 20 hours and 39 minutes, impressive for its size. Charging from around 20% to full takes under an hour. Plus, there's bypass charging support to help keep the battery healthy during long game sessions. Connectivity-wise, it's stacked Wi-Fi 7, 5G, eSIM support, NFC, Bluetooth 5.4, and GPS. Now, onto cameras. At the back, you're getting a triple setup with Zeiss optics, a 50-megapixel main, a 50-megapixel telephoto, and 8-megapixel ultra-wide. The camera island only shows the main and telephoto, while the ultra-wide sits separately. Not the cleanest layout, but what matters is the output, and it delivers. Shots come out sharp, detailed, and vibrant. You can even zoom up to 100 times. Portraits lean towards warmer tones, which look great for skin. The 50-megapixel selfie shooter is equally impressive. Crisp, bright, and detailed, even in low-light scenarios, thanks to the dual aura light it has at front. Vivo also includes cool AI editing tools like Magic Move, Image Expander, and Reflection Erase, making post-editing fun and easy. For videos, you can shoot 4K at 60 frames per second with stabilization available at 1080p. So, is the Vivo X200 FE worth 44,999 pesos? Honestly, yes. You're getting a premium design, a stunning AMOLED display, reliable performance, impressive cameras, and a battery that can easily keep up with your day-to-day. Sure, the thermal management could use some work, but aside from that, this is one of the best FE devices Vivo has put out so far. So, what do you think? Will the Vivo X200 FE be your next daily driver? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech reviews only here on Yuga Tech. This has been Earl, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!